It is a small step that could go a long way in helping people who feel victimized by the healthcare system. They went to a hospital that's part of their network, only to be treated by a doctor who's not. Well, the result? Bills they never expected for thousands of dollars. CBS 4's Kelly Worthman at the Capitol tonight, where a committee approved a measure that would end the practice. Boy, Kelly, a lot of people have horror stories to tell.
Well, Jim, some people have gone bankrupt because of bills like this. Now, tonight, we also heard from doctors and healthcare providers who worry that this bill would give too much power to insurance companies. But people who have been on the receiving end of those major big bills, they say this is a step in the right direction. Chuck Woodward is like many Coloradans who've been shocked by a surprise medical bill.
Needless to say, not happy, which is why I'm here.
Most recently, his son was taken to an in-network hospital following a serious accident, only to learn some doctor services were out of network.
He owed an additional $3,000 on top of his $5,000 deductible.
Instead of billing his insurance company, doctors sent the bill right to Chuck's son and eventually to collections.
This really is nothing more than bait and switch.
Stories like Chuck's are why a bipartisan group of lawmakers are behind a bill prohibiting out-of-network providers from billing patients.
It's been a problem for a long time.
Yet many physicians and healthcare providers aren't entirely on board.
This bill, as it's written, puts physicians at a substantial disadvantage.
And I don't have a lot of empathy for the physicians here because they hired the billing company who went after my son for a bill that the insurance company owed. And when I complained to the doctors, they blew me off.
Chuck was able to help his son with his hefty bill debacle and hopes this bill moves forward to protect more Colorado families from a medical bill disaster.
This can happen to anybody.
The bill did pass unanimously tonight in a 9-0 vote. It now heads to an appropriations committee before possibly heading to the House floor. Reporting live at the Capitol, Kelly Worthman covering Colorado First.